Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on review if you're wondering whether the 2025 MacBook Air with the M4 chip is worth the hype. This video dives deep into Apple's most refined Ultrabook to date, and is impressive on nearly every front. Let's break down what sets this year's model apart, and why it might just be the perfect blend of power, portability, and style. First up, the star of the show, the new M4 chip. Apple has packed serious horsepower into this 13.6-inch machine. Built to maximize Apple Intelligence features in macOS 15, the M4 provides blazing fast performance while keeping energy efficiency front and center. Everyday productivity tasks, creative workflows, and multitasking feel seamless, and even more demanding apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro run without a hitch. Thermal management remains fanless and silent, yet the system rarely breaks a sweat. The 13.6-inch liquid Retina display continues to impress with its color accuracy, brightness, and overall clarity. Watching HDR content or editing high-res images looks incredible. It's one of the best screens in its class, with deep blacks and vibrant hues that pop, especially on the sky blue model, which add a fresh and modern aesthetic without being overly flashy. Another major highlight is the 16 gigabytes of unified memory. For a base model, this is a huge win, making it future-proof and capable of handling complex workflows that previously required a step-up configuration. Pair that with the 256 gigabytes SSD, which is faster and more efficient than previous generations, and you've got a snappy, highly responsive system. The 12MP front camera with center stage is a game-changer for remote work and video calls. It intelligently tracks and frames you, delivering excellent video quality even in low light. Touch ID remains as convenient as ever, offering a fast and secure way to unlock the laptop or authenticate purchases. Battery life? Outstanding. Expect 16 to 18 hours of real-world use, depending on your workflow, thanks to the M4's energy efficiency and macOS optimizations. This is easily a full-day device, even for heavier users. While we wish the base storage started at 512 gigabytes, and some professionals might